Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious honey jerk barbecue wings. Just make sure your chicken is nice and clean, just like mine's. Once it's clean, you want to go ahead and season with these seasonings here, or you can use whatever season you desire. Just make sure you allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes or so. Then turn your oven to 350 degrees, let it bake, and once it's cooked, we're going to use the natural juices that came from the chicken into a pan. I'm going to add some butter. I'm going to add some honey. And also, I'm going to add some brown sugar. We're going to add just a little bit of the the jerk marinating sauce. We're going to stir that up. And here's the liquid that came from our chicken. Guys, it is absolutely amazing. It smells good. You want to add just a little bit of fresh lime juice in there as well. Add your bell peppers. And then you're going to pour that all over your chicken, guys. It is amazing, amazing, amazing. And serve it however you like. This is how I serve it. It was absolutely fabulous, delicious, delicious. Until next time, like, comment. Do not forget to subscribe.